In this video, we're going to explore the approval system in Google Workspace. What are approvals? The approval system allows us to nominate a person to review our document and approve its status. They're useful for checking our work with a manager or project leader. Approvals are available within all Google Drive products, such as Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Let's explore how to use the approval system within this Google Doc. To find approvals, you need to navigate to File, and it will be about a quarter of the way down your menu. Note that this may not be available within your organization as it must be approved by your admin. If you think this is an interesting system and you would like it included, maybe send this video to your admin so they can see the benefits of it. Clicking into Approvals will open the Approvals sidebar where you can make a request to have your document reviewed. When you click on this button, it will bring up a secondary window where you can add your approvers, include a message, add a due date for the approval, including a time, and then you have the options to allow approvers to edit this file in the case of you wanting them to edit it afterwards. If you don't tick this one, then approvers will only be able to view or comment on the file depending on the requests you give them. You also have the ability to lock the file before sending the approval request. Be very careful with this option, as if you enable this, then any of your other collaborators on the file will also not be able to edit the document, and it could lock them out of their own work. Once you're ready to seek the approval, click Send Request, and your approval request will be sent to the recipient. When you click Approve, you'll notice that you have a new Pending Approval ribbon along the top of your page, and you'll see that your approval is pending within the Approvals sidebar. As the approver, you will receive a notification either in Gmail or Google Drive, depending on how your notifications are set up. Once you click on the approval request, it will open the document, at which point you will have a similar ribbon asking you to either approve, reject, or view details of the approval. If you click on View Details, it will pop out the Approvals sidebar with all of the information, including the text due date that was sent. If you want, you can leave a comment based on the approval. You can view the changes since you last viewed, approved, or since the approval started, in the case of you giving feedback and waiting for those changes to be made. And you can finally either approve or reject the document. Once you click Approve, you can add an optional message if you want to. The file is then locked at this point until you reload it, at which point you will get a message saying that this is the approved version. When a document has been approved, it is automatically locked. In order to unlock the document, anyone with the editor permission on the document can do so by hovering over this locked key and clicking Unlock File. Now, again, it is available for approval, including an approved version available link along the top of the screen. It's best to use approvals when you are absolutely finished working on a document, as locking and unlocking unnecessarily can cause issues for other people that are working on it. So do check with your colleagues to ensure that they are also ready for the document to be sent for approval. Thanks for watching. Here at the Live Learning Company, we aim to take the hassle out of tech and put the human back into digital training. We deliver scalable training sessions in productivity and collaboration apps such as Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Our sessions are delivered live by trainers, meaning you can ask questions as you learn. Click on the link to see our website and learn more.